Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. You see me? I appreciate everybody that watching my channel, viewing my channel. You see me? Today upload, we are going to talk about Masicka, Chronic Law, Youngster, and a lot more artists just to entertain the fans them. You see me? Because it's not a stage show, you know. You see me? It's a party. And the man them just step on stage, people, and show them fans say, yeah, unity in a dancehall. You see me? I just some of the artists them have be a bad man in a them people. You see me? If I lie, I tell my viewers and subscribers, only the people can tell me. You see me? Yeah, because I saw we want to see unity in a dancehall, but some of them look young artists how we have come up nowadays, brother. Be a badness them and push on them for know so them are artists, a businessman them. You see me? They don't know bad man, and if you have bad man around you don't know bad man youth, you see me? Yeah man, when I businessman of that want to know, you see me? Because remember music you do, I want to make money and build up on catalog, you see me? And also the people in my dancer build up on catalog. You see me I say? And me like this a unity where I see on stage people, you get me I say? Yeah, Chronic Law and Masicka may not do a collab yet, but you don't know how this a link up and look on stage. You never can tell. You see me? They might just do a collab, you see me? Yeah man, so just look out for the collab the people, because you never can expect nothing from Chronic Law and Masicka, you know, you see me? Because you don't know when them put in the work, them got to work, them serious, you know, people. And as I can tell people, lights and firearm all of them on stage and top security same way. You see me? Because you can tell the airline of the khaki suit over there, so ready for shoot a man now. Look and see, watch the video.
Before you move, my brother, when you pick up your mask and you know you think go, you DJ take your time and forward, you know it go, right? Hold on there, just picking up your pieces.
Really suit. Manishka. See that? Richie them great.
Some space, the lecture DJ, they want some space on the stage. Well, they're good man, the man good man. The man cover the DJ then some space, so you know you're sitting there already. Big up to all of you then. Big up to all of you then, you don't think already. Rabas, big up yourself, you don't think about the brother all the time. Youngster, big up yourself, nerves, you don't go. You understand, a day on the live, you don't think already. I want side to the last now. How are you set up in there? Where's the Razzie? Where's the up in there? I'm better than this of the place quick and fast. You know on the stage show. You know it's something that I'm already kids them out. Hold on. I don't want them, hold on. Listen, now, we just have a family. You think of that? Don't go on the violate and get away from the body, my friend. You don't need to talk about this and they do them. Start it as a violator. It does things to the top of the neck and you want stick to that upper down. Hey madam, where's the balance in there? Balance it. Now them on the stage show you have to keep it clean too. Hold on. We say they not a farm. You give me no fat farm enough. When they say you're tough, you will mash up any. No more you did around there. How we go again? say banging like DNA. And the boy will have to show to DNA. Don't say no. I ain't think of that then, you know I got down. Hold on. Hey, when you set up on studio, I want to hear that. Just remember. Oh, this one is not done. Billy, what you don't give up too soon. Just remember. Come now, hold it. How we go? Pull up for days, they know the board. Pull when you see they have to pour things company. But you can't have me breeze for your float. Can't make. I'm gonna secure it again. Top off it too. Lock in my room. I know I feel, but me can't. You know I got on it. Level it there. So, also this keeps said we see.
Sorry about that, viewers and subscribers. If you reach this far in the video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more content and the latest videos. Whenever I post, you could be the first to get them. I like this get together up on stage, you know. As I can tell, the artists, some of them security on stage with them, you know. Like the firearm holder. And as I say, I like the unity. You understand? I like how Youngster do theme piece. I like how Chronic Law do theme piece. I like how Masicka do theme piece. You see me I say, because you don't know. Them artists are always put out the best for the fans them, same way. You see me I say? And as I say, I have to give a thanks to everybody who have viewed my channel, same way. Everybody who have like my channel. And everybody will subscribe to my channel. You see me I say? Respect to everyone. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. You see me? On the next upload, I see everybody again.